The continuous advancement of technological developments has revealed new and innovative tools which can change your life. One of among these innovations is the GPT series introduced by the Openai team. With this development of GPT-6, or what we commonly called ChatGPT, is a potential AI tool which impact on the community incredibly. This new version of the ChatGPT will be more complex, more diverse, and more effective than the previous versions. So GPT-6 will be a changer of the world. When previous versions are remarkable, this version of GPT-6 takes this capability to new heights. It has the strong understanding ability of nuances, phrases, and even the most complex language patterns. It means GPT-6 can detect and produce same as human with surprising ease. This competence of GPT-6 has the potential to transform industries such as customer service, content-making professions, and education institutions by enabling large-scale, human interaction. GPT-6 is not like other text generation systems. It has the characteristics of all-rounder. It means GPT-6 can produce and render content in a variety of formats with images, audios, and texts in different languages. Consider the potential as a tool that not only describes images in detail, but also creates them from narratives, or a tool that turns podcasts into animated videos. This new version has huge supporting for the creative content writers, entertainment agencies, and education institutions. When the previous version of ChatGPT is offering some customization options, GPT-6 can provide more customizations to suit specific projects or areas. Businesses can train GPT-6 as a model in a unique area, whether it is legal language, diagnostic, or urban language, based on its own specialist knowledge. This competence extends the system's reach into particular businesses that earlier might have set up AI language systems too generic for business activities. Openai developers has learned from previous experience, and then GPT-6 includes advanced security tools that minimize unnecessary or harmful events. There is also feedback from the public. It is well adjusted to carefully understand and resolve conflicts. It means that we can expect more influence from GPT-6, thereby increasing users' trust. With significant improvements made in GPT-6, the experience has become more manageable. People living in difficult areas or peoples who are in poor background can connect with the GPT-6 for skillful advice on a variety of issues. Students who are expecting training in a particular subject to business persons who are looking for professional advices can use this AI tool. GPT-6 can help to stabilize the business activities in many areas by providing on-time information and guidance. Language obstacles have historically hindered international communication and cooperation. GPT-6 assures correct translations in real time by enabling better social interactions. Imagine any place in the world wherever you can communicate effectively with any person in any country in whatever language. The implications for all industries, education, and international relations are superb. With the increase in mental health problems around the world, it has been increased the demand for therapeutic involvements. Actually, GPT-6 can't substitute to the human, but it has excellent features, and it is a great tool for increase the behavioral awareness of the people. This can be an important product for many people who are seeking immediate responses. Bloggers, strippers, and editors can use GPT-6 to generate ideas, edit content, and even collaborate to create scripts. A role of the GPT-6 can be a co-author who helps overcome the writer's blockage in organizing a narrative or exploring previously unconsidered creative aspects. For researchers, university students, and scientists, GPT-6 can be an important tool. Its skills to process collection of data, analyzing capability for interpretation. The data in simple terms can take a lot of research, even in the pharmaceutical industry, health, or environmental sciences. The new version could provide insights and analysis that will take human researchers to tap into the potential of GPT-6. ChatGPT will not reject this blame that many businesses and professions, especially data processing and distribution, are at high risk, but it also offers the path for new jobs in AI training, content creation, and online platforms. The biggest impact of the economy is its ability to change the way businesses doing and the way of they earn. The combination of human and artificial intelligence collaboration offers opportunities for excellent business operations. Musicians can create unique songs together with the help of artificial intelligence. Architects can discover new styles. Videographers can see and create text with new images. The combination of human perception and GPT-6's computing power can lead to unprecedented creativity. Traditional learning methods often face problems such as scalability and adaptableness. GPT-6 will be a leader in self-learning. It gives students a different guidance and helps them understand difficult concepts with different interpretations. With its skill to provide immediate response and resources, GPT-6 can improve education worldwide, especially in areas where academic experts are lazy. Timely and accurate information is vital when there is a natural disaster or crisis. GPT-6 can assist students to process data in real-time forecast results based on available figures and give a guidance for instant action for any urgent situations. GPT-6 has a deep understanding ability of many languages and different cultures, makes it a bond among different civilizations. It can offer vision into various cultural practices and promote better understanding. This is especially good for international relations and global business. For disabled people, GPT-6 can be an excellent tool because it will help and interpret sign languages of them in real time. Provide explanations for the visually disabled and even assistant speech impaired people to express their needs. In entertainment field and technology, GPT-6 can help customize the experience according to people's preferences. Think about any video game that can make your desired player. So GPT-6 also a same genius, which can provide according to your preferences. Actually, GPT-6 will not replace doctors' ability. Its collection of data and analytical capabilities can support the doctors in diagnosis of diseases, create treatment plans for patients, and patient observations. It can offer the latest research findings, forecast possible medicine interactions, and even support patients' better understanding about their current condition. Forecasting ability is important in the fight against climate change. GPT-6 can help experts to analyze environmental changes, identify possible future situations, and develop strategies to ease negative effects. GPT-6's skill of process massive amounts of findings can support us in better understanding about the complexities of global trends and changes. Governments can use GPT-6 to assess public opinion, formulate policies, and even estimate the impact of numerous decisions. With the ability to handle large-scale feedback, policy creation can become more independent and approachable. GPT-6 increases productivity. Visual images can make art in the form of prose, poetry, or music. Actually, it's not meaning the artificial intelligence is substituting artists, but it gives entertainers new tools to enhance their creativity, pushing to a good combination of people and machine art. The impact of ChatGPT on social media platforms will be huge and potential. With innovative text and image creation capabilities, it can support platforms to deliver modified content, better management of community values, and improve user engagement. This can change the relationship between social media users and community, and GPT-6 has many good things for uses. It is important to address the ethical issues it raises and concerns about the abuse of privacy, and its financial consequences should be carefully considered. It is the great responsibility of Openai team and developers to make sure GPT-6 will changes the world. It does so in the interest of the majority and in a way that considers civil rights. GPT-6 is more than the best technology. This is an evidence to human desire and creativity. It makes us think about our role in this fast-changing environment as it blurs the line between machine and human intelligence. When GPT-6 truly changes the world, we have a responsibility to bring that change in one direction for justice, stability, and development. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.